Dear student, here is video number 3 of standard 8 subject maths, chapter number 5, expansion formulae. We see here next expansion formula, a minus b bracket cube. It is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We see in previous video same expansion formula. There is only a plus b bracket cube and all terms are positive here. In this expansion formula, only second term and last term is the negative. We see practice set 5.3. Example is 2m minus 5 bracket cube. It is the binomial cube. Value of a, comparing this example with this expansion formula, a minus b bracket cube. Value of a is 2m and value of b is 5. Then formula is a minus b bracket cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Value of a is 2m and value of b is 5 in this example. That is a cube is 2m its cube minus 3, a square is 2m square into b is 5 plus 3 into value of a is 2m into b square is 5 square minus 5 cube. Last term is b cube, it is minus 5 cube. Cube of this two term 2m its cube, that means it is 8m cube. 2 cube is 8 and m cube is m cube minus 3. First we solve this bracket, is it 4m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 25 minus 125. 5 cube is 125. 8m cube minus, see this simplification of second term, minus 3 into 4 into 5. It is minus 60m square plus simplification of this third term. It is 3 into 2 into 25. 3 into 2 is 6 and into 25 it is 150m minus 125. It is the expansion of given binomial 2m minus 5 its cube. See next example. Simplify in question number 2. Simplify 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube. First we expand this bracket, first bracket, by a plus b bracket cube. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And second bracket is 2a minus b cube. We expand second bracket by a minus b bracket cube. It is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. In these two formulas, only difference is the sign. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus and this is minus. Bracket here is the plus bracket and here is the minus bracket. We expand 2a plus b bracket cube. First, value of a, it is 2a, value of b is b. A cube is 2a its cube plus 3, a square is 2a square into value of b is b plus 3ab square, that is 3 into 2a plus b square plus b cube is b cube. See this, middle sign is minus, then we take here minus, into this big bracket. Second expansion of second bracket, we use second formula, this formula. A cube is 2a cube minus 3, a square is 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a plus b square minus b cube. Bracket is complete. In this 2 expansion, middle sign is the minus. Here we write here minus. Then next step start from here. First we write the first expansion, this expansion, 2a cube plus 3 into 2a square, it is 4a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b square minus, here minus sign, this sign we write here minus. Then we solve this bracket, whole bracket, that means sign of each term it's change, that is 2a cube, sorry here it is the 8a cube. 2a cube is 2 cube is 8 and a cube is a cube minus 3, here change the sign, we get here plus 3 into 4a square into b minus 3, here we get minus sign, 3 into 2a into b square, here again sign, it becomes plus b cube. See this all the terms. Eight a cube minus 8a cube, this is the plus 8a cube and this is the minus 8a cube, it gets cancelled. Then it is 3 into 2a into b square with plus sign, and it is 3 into 2a into b square with minus sign, it's again gets cancelled. Then we get here this term, simplification of this term, it is 3 into 4a square into b, that is 12a square b. Then remaining term it is b cube plus this term 12a square b plus last term is b cube. Then next is 12a square b and this 12a square b becomes 24a square b plus this b cube and this b cube becomes 2b cube. In this two term 2b is the common, then remaining terms are 12a square plus b square. It is the expansion. Practice set 5.3.